Let us start. Good. Sixty-three, 29. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Online team, good evening. Can you hear me? Online team. Can I say we done this one? Are we done, right? Okay. And still, I will give a small revision. And today, this is the running topic. And it won't take much time. Maybe some 30 minutes actually. Respectively, we'll see other topics as well. Good. Good. There are few openings in Bangalore, and next one is the Pune. And my old student texted me. Old students are actually. There are two openings, two are experienced actually, and freshers you may get it. I can help you if anyone wanted to try as an experience. I can help you how to do that one as well. But the mandate is Python Pandas ML. What is that one? And our students only, they will be in panel also. They will help you. Hmm? And if anyone is interested, you can connect with me. Let us just try to continue. There are referrals, sir. You will get it into that one. And ensure that you should be strong in subject actually. I hope you know. I will look at only subject. Who are you, what you are previously, what you done, doesn't matter at all actually. It's okay. Sir, it's a tier 1 company. I do have a working employees group actually. I can help you with other details. Any openings in Hyderabad? Yeah, slowly by slowly. I'm sure here and there definitely. If you want, there is a one best website actually. I hope you already AI jobs, and here you can search directly. And the cities, Hyderabad, and search for only data science. Can I search for Java? Not required, right? On an average 93. You can try. And wherever data science, machine learning, deep learning, data analyst, data engineer, these are all keywords are available. You can try. You can try. Anyway, I will help you. Maybe once ML is done, I will help you how to prepare your resume. ML is mandate actually. ML is mandate. Come on, yesterday what I covered, what is the statistics, and by using this one data collection to organizing the data, and there are mainly two types actually. First one is inferential. Second one, descriptive. Inferential means it is highly impossible to collect the total entire data. Instead of that one, let us collect sample data and bring the conclusion over the total data actually. Yeah. Now the next one is a descriptive statistics. It is talking about the summary about the data, like a minimum value, maximum value, mean, standard deviation. These are all things actually. Next one is population. Next one is a sample data. What is a sample population? The immediately next one is a variable. What we're examining, something like what we are trying to understanding, that is called as a variable. Variable, there are mainly, this is the variable definition. Variable, there are mainly quantitative variable. Next one is a categorical variable. Quantitative variables means it's a kind of some numerical data. What data? Numerical data. When I say quantitative data, these are all numeric. uh, I hope you know this one. Categorical data, two types actually. Categorical data is something like a some string related data. What data? String related. Categorical, two types, man. First one is ordinal, next one nominal. Ordinal means follows order, nominal means no order. During interview, definitely our material helps you to explain the topic. So be thoroughly prepare our material. Thoroughly. Thoroughly in the sense, every topic you should know how to deliver. Not only knowing the material, done the preparation, good, but you should know how to deliver actually. You should know how to what exactly deliver. Today I will give 5 to 10 minutes chance actually. If anyone wanted to deliver, you can deliver. Anyone? Good, very good. I appreciate you. What is your name, sir? Good. So maybe let us just try to any muhurtam actually for you guys. No, right? Then can we set at 6 actual exactly? 6 to 6:10. Is it fine? Yeah. There is a one student, and he's from our batch actually, and he can able to deliver one topic. We'll see. You can use my laptop, and if you want, you can deliver the topic actually. Good. I appreciate you. Let's move on. Next one is ordinal encoding, not ordinal encoding. Ordinal encoding is a feature engineering technique. I will cover later. Ordinal means follows what exactly, sir? Order. Nominal means no order. I hope you know. Next one is a quantitative variable. Next one is what exactly? Quantitative variable. First one is a discrete variable. Next one, continuous. Discrete variable means, it is a kind of some whole number of, can I say integers? Can I say integer? Next one is continuous variable means integer plus float. Integer plus float. That's it. We can close the discussion. Now, next move on. Now, the next topic name is what exactly? Focus. These are all things we are going to understand. Mean, mode, median. Mean, mode, median. Next one is measures of spread, range, standard deviation, variance actually. Sir, there are mainly, look at this one, uses of mean, mode, median. Read your one. Mean, mode, median. Next one is range and standard deviation. Range and standard deviation. We'll see. What are all these things actually? Mean, median, mode. Anything you can read. Mode, median, mean also. Range, standard deviation. The uses. Sir, whenever you are learning especially these 5 topics are belongs to, there are 2 subtopics. If you wanted to learn about the functional programming language, 2 things are important, sir. How many things? 2 things. First one, how to create a function. Second one, how to call a function. Same thing like that. These 5 topics are belongs to 2 things actually. First one is measure of center. What is the first one? Second one is measure of spread. Talk with me. What is the first one? Measure of center. Next one, measure of spread. Let me tell you. Assuming that client have given the data. You plotted the data. What we done? Plotted. Like assuming that you created a bar graph, you created a line graph. These are all things you done actually. Once you plotted the data, once you visualize the data, then 2 things you need to understand, man. Measure of center. What is the first one? What is the centroid point actually? The second one is measure of spread. From the center point, left hand side, how it was spread the data. From the center point, right hand side, how it spread the data, that you need to understand actually. Best example, let us take a 1 year. Let us take a 6 to 7 months actually. And previous quarter, how the data spread. In front, assuming that initially 6 months, how the data spread. Next to 6 months, how the data spread. These are all things we'll understand. By using these things, we can identify and describing like how the data set got what exactly, sir? Distributed. These mean, mode, median, range and standard deviation gives the numerical information. First point what you need to understand is these are all numerical related value. What value? No categorical data here, especially. These also explains whenever you're talking about mean, median, mode, range and standard deviation, This talking about two things, man. First one is a measure of center, next one is measure of spread. Measure of center means I can say average value. What value? Yeah, we'll see. Now just try to see measure of center and mean median mode. Next one is measure of spread, how the data spread actually. And seems to be the diagram looks like same, but I will tell you. Let us just try to understand. Very simple, sir. Very simple. What is the first one? Talk with me. Mode. What do you mean by mode? So by looking at the data, you can easy to understand. The first one is the mode actually. Value which is most frequently observed. Let us take a list data structure. In list data structure, did you remember count actually? Count. What count will talk, sir? Yeah, frequently occurred value actually. Here that is called as a mode. In Python that is called as a count, but in math that is called as a mode. The number which frequently it is repeating, that is called as a mode actually. What is that one? Mode. Come on. Value which is most frequently observed. Suppose we have taken random people heights and displayed as a below. Here 153 value is repeated how many times, sir? Not 153. What value? 154. Sorry. 154 value repeated three times. Then 154 value is called as a, what is that one? Mode value. What is that value, sir? Mode value. You may ask a question. Then assuming that 192 also repeated two times actually. Yeah, then two modes actually. Nothing is wrong in that. Are you getting? Yeah. Next one. Hold on. Mode indirectly helps you. This kind of data is more in your data. Best example, we are all belongs to Amazon customers. On an average, 5 members, they done transaction 1,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees. Remaining people, they done transaction 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 actually. Then which one is the mode value? 1,000. Then they will made a note, okay, 1,000 transactions are more actual. Then they will do small analysis. Why? What might happen? Why people are buying 1,000 rupees transactions? These are all things. That is called as what exactly? Mode. Mode means frequently observed value, sir. Are you getting? Yeah. How we can implement in Python? Yeah, very good. Store all values in list data structure, and you can call one method. Method name is a count. That's it. You don't need to means backend mode is executing. Backend mode is executing. Online team, are you following? Online team. Online team, what happened? I'm not sure, sir. Yesterday there was a faculty meeting. Admin also came. I raised my concern. I raised my voice also. Like, my students are facing an issue. I'm sorry, it's not like my students, Naresh IT students actually. Let me try my best and ensure that I have shared the number over Telegram group. You can call them directly and you can just try to check with them also. If who are all facing issue, you guys can call, sir. Not everyone actually, please. Okay. What is exact issue? Even I'm not sure. But I came across there is a small upgrade actually, the software. Next one is a median. Next one is what exactly? Median. Yeah. Whenever you're talking about the median, value which is positioned in the middle of the order data set. Best example, let us take a 1 to 10 value or else 0 to 10 value. Definitely there is a middle value. Definitely there is what exactly? Center point or middle value. Recognizing that value is called as a median. Recognizing that value is called as what exactly? Median. Now, if you wanted to calculate the median, first what you need to do, first you have to keep the values in order actually. What we need to do, sir? Order. Either it can be ascending order, next it can be descending order. I'm repeating again. If you wanted to find out the median, what you need to do is keep the values in an order. Keep the values in an what exactly? Order. Then we need to recognize the middle value. We need to recognize what value? Middle value. It's a very simple. Value that is positioned in the middle of order data set actually. In your case, how you can do, let us take a list data structure. First you need to find out the length actually. What you need to find out? Length by 2. Then definitely you may get some integer value. Then call by using that index value. What value? Index value. Simple. I will tell you. First we need to keep the data in an order. So usually order the data set into what exactly? Smaller to large. Can I say ascending? Nice. Please observe here. 139, 140, 154, 154, and respectively 192. Now, by taking this is the value, left hand side how many? 4 value. Right hand side how many values? 4 value. Then 154 is called as a median in this scenario, right? You may ask a question. Hello, Daniel. Here total how many values? 9 values. How many values? 9 value. Either from starting to 5, ending to 5, that value will become what exactly? Middle value. Let us take a 10 values, sir. Special cases actually. And this is the formula. How you can do, n plus 1 divided by 2. N means number of value. How many number of value? Tell me, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many values? 9. 9 plus 1. What is the result? 10. 10 by 2. What is the result? That fifth position is the middle value. Now, just try to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth position. Even from bottom to up also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means this formula is helping you to recognize which one is a middle value. To recognize which one is what exactly? Middle value. Are you getting? Good. Yeah, see, if the values are very small, by looking at with your fingertip you can calculate actually. If the data set is a very large, if the data set is extremely large actually, then it might be helpful to use below formula. It might be helpful to use what exactly? Below formula. Are you getting? What is this one actually? N. In Python, how to find out number of values? Tell me. Nice, man. You got actually. Now, number of data values. 9 plus 1, a kind of some length actually. You can move to the discussion. Next one. Fifth position value. Easy. Math is very easy. If the number of values are in odd or even, then would you have some special scenario to find out the median value? Now, please observe here. Let me talk about number of values are 10. How many values? 10. Then apply the same formula. 10 plus 1. What is the result? 11. 11 by 2. What is the result? 5.5. Am I right? Hold on. What you need to do, just try to see 5.5. Then what exactly happened, add this one and this one by 2. Fifth position value. What is the value? 154. Sixth position value. What is the value? 155. Yeah. 154 plus 155 divided by 2. Then what is the result actually, sir? 154.5. It is okay. Either decimal value, integer value, it will come actually. Talk with me. What is the topic we are discussing? First, mode we done. Mode means frequently occurred value. Next one is a median. Median means middle value. The name itself is talking median, mid value. Median, kind of some middle value actually. Hope you understand. Next one is mean. Common, sir. Common actually. So the mean is just another name of average actually. The mean is what exactly? Another name of average. Below is the formula which indicates mean of total values. Don't scare. It's very easy. And the good news is you no need to remember actually. Yeah, talk with me. Mean equals to any idea. This what we need to call? Very good, sir. Sigma. Sigma of all values divided by number of values actually. Summation of all data values divided by total number of all data values actually. It's a very simple. But let me tell you, in NumPy, there is a one function. Function name is called as a mean. Hey, come on, sir. In data frame, there is a method. Method name is a describe. Inside that describe, would you have a mean actually? Otherwise, mean method also would you have. What method? Like a minimum method, maximum method, sum method, mean. These are all actual, right? So you no need to remember all these formulas. Simple mean, sample mean. There are two types of mean, man. First one is population mean. First one is what exactly? Population mean. Second one is a simple mean. Sorry, man. Sample mean actually. Population means it will be displayed like a, there is. This is what exactly? Talk with me. Sigma, right? Population mean is called as a. If you give me 1 minute, I forget the that we can pronounce something like that. Population mean. Population mean. Exactly here. Yeah, yeah. Standard deviation, population mean. This is the sample mean. This is the population mean. Can somebody tell me how to recognize this one? Mu, right? Yeah, yeah. Mu actually. I hope you know how cat will do sound. Am I right? Yeah, yeah. Same thing like that. It's okay. So you no need to be remember. Please observe this one. Would you have a list of value? Would you have what exactly? List of value. Sum of all values divided by number of value. Then here, can somebody tell me how to recognize this one? Sum of list divided by number of list means length of list. Am I right? Length. Whenever I'm explaining about the math, map with the Python. Kindly please try to do how to do in a Python actually. Very simple. Very simple. That is in Python. Otherwise, go for pandas. We do have a method. Method name is called as a mean actually. Get ready, sir. In another 10 minutes, you guys need to deliver session actually. And another 10 minutes. Yeah, kindly please walk through. What is the result? 165.6 actually. Very good. Measures of spread. Till now, what I explained, measures of center. Till now, what I explained, that is what exactly? Measures of center. Now, I mean to say that that value is talking about what is the center value. So from the center left hand side, what is the value? From the center, what is the left hand right hand side value? Median, mode, these are all things. Next one is measures of spread. Under measures of spread, there are two measurements. The first one is a range, and next one is a standard deviation. Range. It's a very simple, sir. What do you mean by range? It's a difference between either plus or minus minimum to maximum value or else maximum to minimum value actually. Good. What is the maximum value in the given? 196. Next one is a minimum value. What is the minimum value? 139. Now I would like to say the range formula will be, don't compare Python range and this range. This is a quite different actually. Range means difference between minimum value and maximum value, either plus or minus. Okay, or else maximum to minimum. Anything you can say. Next one, standard deviation. Next one is what exactly? Standard deviation. Where standard deviation will helping, I can cover during machine learning actually. But regarding standard deviation, there is a formula. Trust me, you no need to remember. But we are going to solve this problem actually. Good. The standard deviation is a measure of how spread our data. How spread, like a starting to ending, middle to left, middle to right. These are all things we'll see. Formula is a very simple, but this is not that much simple. It is a square root of variance actually. If you know the standard deviation, you can bring the variance. Sir, standard deviation representing with S. Representing with which letter? Yes, actually. Square root of and sigma of every value minus, what do you mean by this? Mean. Tell me everyone. X bar means mean, whole square divided by n minus 1. Repeating again, square root of sigma, if all values minus, I mean here every value it will come. Like if you are having 10 value, first value minus total mean, second value minus total mean, like this actually, whole square divided by n minus 1. Don't worry, I will show you how to solve this problem actually. Let us take this data. By taking this data, let us try to find out standard deviation value. What value? Standard deviation value. Did you remember during data frame, we call one method. Method name is a describe method. What method? Their std value. What value? Backend this formula executes. So you don't need to remember the formula. Good. Now the formula, we are doing some kind of some divide and conquer. Let us split the formula like this. Now x of 5 means all values 10, 12, 16, 19, 20. Come on, look at me everyone please. X of 5 minus x bar. Yes, this part we have taken separately. X of 5 minus x bar of whole square. Interesting. Good. Now get ready. X of 5 minus x bar. Now first what we need to calculate actually? Mean value. What we need to calculate? Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now just try to come here. Yeah, x bar actually. I hope you know sigma of all values divided by number of n value. 10 plus 12 plus respectively 20 divided by 5. Sir, basic math. Come on, please. Don't square actually. Finally, what we are going to get result, 15.4. Now here onwards, can I proceed for here calculation? Tell me. X of I means what exactly? 10 minus, talk with me. Nice, you got it actually. Now move on, something like that. Just try to see. 10 minus 15.4, 12 minus 15.4, 16 minus 15.4. This calculation will be happen. Am I right? Good. Now just try to see. This calculation happen. Seriously, very good. Now move on to the next step. Move on to what exactly? Next step. In the next step, x of I minus x bar means this is the value whole square. What is that one? Whole square. Can I say minus 5.4 whole square actually? Good. Now just try to say. Yeah, the square value, square value, square value, square value. These are all. During interview, you no need to take scientific calculator, sir. Not required, trust me. But you do have a subject in your brain actually. How many of you math background? How many of you non-math background? Raise your hand. Non-math actually. It is okay. It is okay, cool. Yeah, fine. But this is the, it's okay, cool. Can I say this is the basic math actually? Very, very level basic math. Yeah, we done calculation 29.16 actually. Can I ask a question? Here we do have a minus sign difference actually. Why there is no sign here? Any idea? Basic point, sir. If any value, if you're applying over square actually, then we used to get a positive value. There is a, in our childhood, our faculty beaten and they told actually. Good. Yeah, let me tell you. Can I say x of I minus x of bar whole square? What is this one? Sigma. Means the result what we are getting, we need to apply sum. Very simple. Then what is the result? Can I say this total part we achieved actually? Nice, sir. Total part achieved. I will explain one more time. Don't worry. 75.2 and divided by n minus 1. What is that one, sir? N minus 1 means number of values minus 1. Yeah, 5 minus 1. Next one, yeah, s equals to square root of 75.2 divided by 4 actually. Can I say on an average 5 to 6 slides I explained actually. Man called describe method. What method? Describe method. Done. You know, we'll get automatically. This calculation is not required. S equals to square root of 18.8. Still we'll get the result actually. Now what is the result? 4 point. There is a meaning, man. Regarding the standard deviation, how it helps during machine learning I can cover. But remember, if you are having the number, we can calculate the standard deviation. We can calculate what exactly? Standard deviation. All right. This I will explain one more time. Standard deviation, how it helps actually. Sir, are you ready? Good. Fine then. Maybe let me, this I will explain. First, which topic you will take, sir? Written time. Very nice. Good. And if you want, you can use our material. Our material is here actually. Okay. Then you, yeah, sure. That's fine. You can take the notepad also. That's fine. So come on, you can take a chance actually. Hold on. 1 minute. Online team, there is a one student along with us. He would like to deliver 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes max actually. We'll see accordingly. Is it fine? Can I get a response from everyone? We can start video also. That is still fine. Can I get a response? Yeah. All that everyone is saying. Come on. Yeah. Let me play student. Size.
Hello, sir. Can I hide that floating? Sir, this. Good evening. Good evening, all of you. Today I'm going to deliver 15 minutes topic on date and time operations. I'll just be quick. Sorry. So as we all of us know that whenever we load a file, we come across a date time data type. Sorry, object data type, which actually is date, and for that we need to convert it into date time data type. So let me show you the ways of converting an object data type to date and time data type. So there are mostly the two ways. First way is while first is while loading the file, and the another one is after the file is loaded, after the files. So when we are loading the file, we can convert the object data type into date and time data type. So how to convert? There is one keyword argument called as parse underscore dates. With the help of that we can convert it. So we have to write our normal program to load the file. For example, read underscore csv init. Let me write, take one file, for example sales dot csv. After you have written this, you have to just write parse underscore dates, parse underscore dates, and just provide it in a list, so that there may be enough csv file, there may be more than one column, so it's better we provide in list. So let me take for example our column name is purchase date. This is one way. Another way is if we have already loaded the file, and then how to means change object data type into date and time. So in the second way, there are again two ways. The first way is a function using to underscore date time, and another way is by using a method called as type method. So let us take first the function name to underscore date time, to underscore to underscore date time. This is a function to underscore date time, and it's very easy to load by using date underscore date time. You just have to provide the column name. Sorry, you just have to call it by using pandas, as it is a function, so you have to call it using pandas. Like, see, we have given read underscore csv, so just you can call it by using pd dot to underscore date time, and in to underscore date time parenthesis you have to give the name of the column which you want to change. For example, we have taken your purchase date, and once you have written this, you will not directly get the output after printing the data frame. Firstly you have to give this all means you have to give this line to the same column which you have taken. This whole line you have to give to the column, the same column which you have taken, so that our last data frame will get updated. So just provide this whole thing into the df of purchase date, and now you can get the updated output in your data frame. Now the another way is using as type method, as type method, as type So as type is a method, and as type method works only with the series data type. So if it works with the series data type, so you have to first call one column so that it could work on it. So let me call one column. So just, just date. And now as we have one series data type, sorry, series, so we can call it by using as type. We can convert it by using as type method. And in as type you have to provide the data, the name of the data type, which is date time 64 ns. Now as we have done in to underscore datetime function, we have provided in one column. Similarly, we have to do here also. We have to provide the same column to the whole data to the same column again, so that our main file will get updated. So these two are the ways of converting. Now we can also give one keyword argument format. If uh, if we want to give format, then we have to while we are calling this line to underscore date time, we just have to give one keyword argument called as format. Just we have to give here format is equal to, we can do this, this is helpful many times. Format, you can give any format which you want. You can also give hour and minutes also. I am giving day, month and year. So format is also here present. Now let us see about noted time. So whenever we are working on any data set, we may come across missing values. Those missing values can be also in the date column. So whenever the missing values come in date column and we try to run that program, we to try to print that data frame using to underscore date time, we may get a problem. That problem will give us type error. We will not directly get not a time directly. So at least if you want to print and also get not a time, means you want to, if you want to print only that those missing values, including those missing values, so first of all you have to use one keyword argument known as errors is equal to coerce. Yeah, yes. So if you already printed this, okay, now you have printed and you got type error in this code, assuming. So now you can give here just one line, errors is equals to coerce. Now if you provided this line, the type error will not come again, and you can get those, you can see that file, and all the missing places will be replaced by NAT. Now we can also use a kind of filtering method in this, in date time. Now in filtering, whenever we hear filtering, one thing comes in our mind, that conditions. So here also we are having conditions. For if you want to know how many sales a company has done in a few hours, or in a couple of days, so if you want to know it, you can give two conditions. One is the start condition and other is the end one. So it is very easy to give conditions. Take any variable and give the column name on which you want to apply. There may be more than one column also in the data set. So let me take this column, and this column I want to print, I want to know the starting date. In this here, in this double quotes, you have to provide the exact format in the data set, otherwise it will not print. Exact format is to be printed here. Also the other condition also, same format is to need to be printed in both of them, same column. just check the signs, don't give similar signs. Here only one thing is necessary, this format you have to give, other things we have learned in filtering also. And to print this, it's very easy. So to print it, you just have to give it like a key, both of them, and give an and operator in between them, start and end. This will give you the output comparing both of them. Now if you want to access the last 10 days of the data set, or of the whole data, you can also access it, last 10. So accessing last 10 days. So to access the last 10 days, firstly you have to set your index, set your column with date time data type as index. So if our column is this, we have to set that column as index so that we can perform this operation on it. So let's set index. In parentheses, in double quotes, you have to provide the name of the column. And as set index is a method, we need to call it by using data frame. And if you print this, you will get the index will be set as purchase date. Now on this index, you have to call one method, which is last, and simply you have to write here 10d. If instead of d you want to know about the last 10 months, you can write m instead of d. And also you can write y also if you want to know a couple of years back data. The next one is extracting day, month, or year from a column which contains all the information of date and time. So for extract extracting extracting is also simple. You just have to give, as we are extracting from a column, so we must have a place to store that extracted data somewhere. So to store that extracted data somewhere, we need a new column to store that data. So we are taking one column and giving it, for example, we want to store the year data, so we'll give here year. And in this column we will provide the old column on which we have to perform the operations. And simply one attribute dt, and in that attribute one more called as year. So we can extract from a column, date time data type column, the year data. And instead of year, if you want to know the month data, then that is also possible. Just write here month instead of year, and similarly for day. Now if you want to see which particular day your cells have which your cells have rised or fall, you can also see that particular day name actually we can do by encoding. So the the code we have written here, it's similar to it. Just we have to give the column name first, provide the column on which you want to perform, then dt, and then just write your day underscore name method. And in this way you can get all the name of the days which on which the sales have gone up or fall down, anything you want. Okay, any questions? Sorry for speed. Thank you.
All right, let us have a 2 minutes discussion. Now you talk with me. How is the session? Sir, seriously, coming here, standing not for delivery, standing guts required. What's required? Guts required. Frankly speaking, he delivered the session in such a way that I'm sure he is eligible to become as a trainer actually. That's what. If you learn subject very seriously, I'm sure you can deliver the session in such a way that how nicely you delivered. Every syntax is valid actually. I am appreciative, sir. One more time, big hands, please. I appreciate you actually. I appreciate you, sir. I'm not sure. Before you are joining at Naresh AT, either you thought like you can deliver or not, but I really appreciate actually. Let me get the comments from online team. Required lots of words. Excellent. Nice boss. Well done. Very good. Very good. These are all comments, right? And keep continue your preparation. I'm sure it will be next level. Not to, why only one person? If anyone want, you can take the chance actually. Next one more to academy. Can I give next day? Or else now itself only. We'll plan maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, definitely. So let us see. Nice, that's what. So the thing is, learn the subject, learn how to deliver. The same deliver, if you give during interview, i'm sure I'm sure you cracked it actually. Fine then. So 1 minute. All right, let's move on. I really appreciate you, sir, and this is seriously very well done. Now back to the session. Are you with me? All right, come on. Nice, very nice. Now let me give a small revision over standard deviation directly. Mean median mode we already done. Now the standard deviation. It's a very simple, the formula S equals to square root of sigma x of I minus x bar whole square. What is that one? Whole square divided by n minus 1. Yeah, we are going to taking a certain value 10, 12, 16, 19, 20. This is seriously very good. Now one more point, hold on. Few guys, you guys are very good in subject, but you don't know how to deliver. Sir, is it first time or else previously anywhere you done actually? Only in college actually. So good. And I know everyone knows the subject actually, but delivery matters. Practice for that. That literally helps you. Maybe one day it really helps you actually. I know all you guys are very good in subject. Learn for deliver. Learn for what exactly? Deliver. That is really good pattern. Now what exactly we are doing is the same formula we are extracting, like x1 separately we have taken x of I minus x bar. Come on, let me explain quickly. X of I minus x bar whole square, we are separating these are all things actually. Move to the next one. I have taken all these values. X of I minus x bar, 10 minus x bar means what value? Can I say the mean value actually? Yeah, this is the mean value. We done mean value, we calculated. Then respectively, what is the mean value? Yeah, respectively of 10 minus 15.4, 12 minus 15.4, these are all values. Then we can evaluate these are all results. It's very simple. Yeah, we got this one. Then next one, immediately we have to do square up of all these values. Just try to see. Easy. Then yes, this total part is done. And now what we need to apply, now we need to apply sigma. Come on. So sum of all these values is nothing but now this total part is done. Now s equals to square root of, here what is the value we need to impute actually? Tell me, sir. 75.2 divided by what is the number of value? 5 minus 1. What do you mean by 5 minus 1? What is the result? 4. Just try to see. 75.2 divided by 4. Awesome. This is the result. 18.8 actually. Very good. Now the next one is s equals to 4.33. Where this helpful, I will explain during machine learning. But remember one thing. There is a, whenever we are giving a value, whenever we are getting a value, go back to the running notes, please. 621. Yeah. Assuming that we do have a values, the values will be something like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and keep on 10 value. Talk with me. What is the value? Minimum value. Tell me. 1. Maximum value. Tell me. then definitely sum, then definitely mean value. Same thing like that, STD value also we do have. What value? That measurement definitely it helpful for us to identify how the data spread from the mean. How the data spread from what exactly mean. As of now, please don't focus on the the definition also. I can explain you later actually how it is helping during machine learning. You can easy to understand. One more point will be, if you understand standard deviation, then next one is the variance. Next one is what exactly? Variance actually. Variance you can easy to understand. So what is the variance formula, sir? No, these are all you will not understand as of now, but in machine learning it literally helps you actually. Now look at the formula. Look at the formula. Sir, the difference between standard deviation and variance will be, variance is a square of standard deviation. Can I say that one? Yes, I mean to say that standard deviation means square root actually. Variance means what exactly? S square. What is that one, sir? Apart from that, nothing. Apart from that, nothing. But let me tell you, variance we are not using in real time. Standard deviation is we are using. Variance we are not using actually. But though the formula is very near, these guys explain in such a way that actually. All right. I hope you understand. I know I just explained about how to calculate a standard deviation value, but where we are using, how we are using later in machine learning, I will cover. Are you with me? Come on. Now let's close this one. Move on to the next part. What is the next part? Go back and math outlier. What is the topic name? Talk with me, everyone. 1 minute. Let me talk with online team. Online team, are you with me? Can I get a response? Now the topic name is a outlier. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on to the discussion. Very simple, sir. First of all, let me explain about the topic name is a outlier. Let me tell you, without this one, there is no real-time interview. That much very, very important. So whenever you are going for interview, from the math, if they're asking a question, first these guys will ask this question actually. What is the topic name? Tell me. Outlier. First understand this one. I mean, whenever we are having the data, if I say data means like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now tell me, minimum value would you have, maximum value would you have, next one is sum would you have, mean would you have. Just now we done one thing. What is that one? Yeah, very good. Standard deviation. Outlier also. What is that one? What is a outlier definition? You need to understand first of all. Are you guys getting? Good. Now let me tell you a small point. Let us explain in a nice way. One day what happened, one day here and there, every 6 months with whole family, we used to go outing, sir. We used to go outing actually along with my brother family, my family and parents and my brother family actually. We're all we're all so we started. Basically I'm from Vijayawada. In Vijayawada, Vijayawada, basically I'm from Vijayawada to near there is a Guntur location. What location? Guntur location, highland. There is one out. What exactly? Outing is there? That is called as a highland. One day we started. Over there are two cars actually. We started, and in between early morning we started on an average 6:30, and in between we stopped exactly at 8 a.m. We stopped at hotel. Why? Tell me. Nice, sir. Very good actually. Very good. To have a breakfast. To have what exactly? To have a breakfast. Now understand this one. This is seriously, this was literally happened. Please focus on this. Let me take my father, my mother. Next one is Harshini, my brother's daughter. Akshay, my brother's son. And Kusuma. Next one is Nirikshan. Let me take only these value, these person names. My father, one plate idli, sir. What is that one? One plate idli. On an average, how many? Four idli. Very yeah. Next one is my mother also, one plate dosa. Dosa. One dosa actually. Now next, tell me Harshini. Sir, she likes puri very well, sir. Puri. Two puris actually. Akshay. One vada. Vada means four vadas actually. Now now get ready. You are going to understand one thing. My wife like idli, man. Always idli. One for idli. Now Nirikshan. My turn actually, right? Now let me tell you idli. But let me tell you 100. Yeah. Listen carefully. That's what. Now talk with me generally. We're all, yeah, that's what. Very good. Generally, whenever you're going for any restaurant, you're ordering one plate idli, one puri, one dosa. These are all common value. There is no surprise actually. But suddenly, I went to reception. I told 100 idli required. How many? Then what exactly happened? Talk with me. All persons they will look at like this me actually. Sir, this is called as a outlier. Whenever you are collecting the data, there are some surprised values. There are some what exactly? Surprised value. What do you mean by outlier? Outlier means the value, listen carefully, the value which is very far from common data, far from what exactly? Common data. That is called as a outlier. Now now there is, sir, 4 is a common value. I would like to say 1 is a common value. Still 4 is a common value. But do you think in terms of the, having the breakfast 100 is a common value? No. Trust me. I hope you understand what do you mean by outlier actually. Are you getting? Good. Now, generally, whenever you are getting the data, minimum value we need to recognize, maximum value we need to recognize, sum we need to recognize, mean we need to recognize, outlier also we need to recognize. What we need to recognize, sir? Outlier also. Did you remember Titanic data set, public data set actually? On an average, yeah, age also 80 is the outlier, and the ticket price also. Did you remember? Come again, what is the cost? Exactly, man. You catch my point actually. Generally, whenever you are going for any kind of some shift traveling, normal ticket is the very common. So if you are going for any high level ticket, then you are belongs to outlier actually. We need to recognize an outlier is different. Yeah. Hold on. Now you need to think logically. This is called as a outlier recognition. Outlier, what exactly? Recognition. Why we need to recognize? Best example, whenever you guys are doing the data analysis, whenever you guys are doing what exactly? Data analysis, you have to remove the outlier. You have to remove what exactly? If you didn't remove outlier, there is a problem, man. Now you can find out the mean value by taking this one, then you will get a normal mean value actually. But for all this value, if you are calculating mean value, can I say will it impact actually? It will impact, sir. I mean to say that, assuming that, so we are all three families actually. Suddenly, one more new family came. One more who came actually? New family came. There is a person. That person is standing actually. On an average, what he can order actually? Can I say one plate idli? Yeah. Can I say what exactly? One plate idli. That is a common value. But no one never, a kind of some order 100 plate idli actually. Something like 100 idli. Let me tell you still, sir, this might be valid scenario also, assuming that on an average 100 idli I'm taking just to serve poor people actually. There is a valid scenario. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. An outlier is defined as a value which are very far from what exactly? Data set. An outlier is a data point that falls outside from main data point actually. That falls outside from what exactly? Main data point. It can be large value, it can be what exactly? Small value. Good. Hold on. Now get ready. 5, 10, 15, sorry man, 20, 200, 2000. Which one is outlier? Very good. 2000 is outlier actually. 2000 is outlier. Next one, 0.0004, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which one is outlier? Now you got the point actually. What is the point? Sir, when I say outlier can be small value, outlier can be large value. So no doubt in that. Okay, it can be largest value in the data set, or else it can be small value also. It can be what exactly? Small value also. First, just try to observe this one. Whenever we collected all people height actually, on an average, can I say 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.6, something like that. But there are few people 5.7, 5.9, which is a very tall people, something like a Prabhas actually. Am I right or not, sir? Assuming that. And there are few people there, it can be some short value. I would like to say, these two are outlier. Can I say that one? outlier actually. Now let me tell you, sir, if you are having the data, suddenly one new student is coming, I'm sure maybe 90% guarantee that student belongs to this category. That student belongs to what exactly? This category. Am I right or not? One more point will be, if you go for my academic calls course actually, out of 25, 9 marks, 12 marks, 13 marks, 15 marks is a very common data. Suddenly if I get a 25 marks, what marks actually, sir? That is called as what exactly? No doubt in that actually, keep in mind that. Okay, now just try to see, this is the smallest value, this what exactly? Largest value. Read this definition one more time, you have to remember actually. Tell me the value which is very far from common data set, that is called as a outlier. Next term, observe the below histogram. The point is far from the value. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Yeah, very good. The data falls like this actually. It is okay, cool. And suddenly there is a value which is talking about, can I say in between 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 10 to 15 to 20. The difference is 5 actually. Difference is what exactly? But suddenly there is a data, the data is a 55. How come, sir? Are you getting? Then I would like to say this what value? Outlier. Now just try to see 21, 20, 22, 25, 21, 23. We are talking two digit value. That two all values are in between 20 to 30. It is okay. But suddenly one value came. What value? 9,000. Means assuming that there is a Monday, Amazon done few transaction. One customer done transaction $21. Another customer $20, 22, 25, 21, 23. Suddenly one customer bought the item. What is the price actually? $9,000. May be valid, but to do the data analysis, we have to pick out that value. We have to separate that value actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. Below example, very smallest number 3, 51, 55, 69, 73, 80, 81 actually. Sir, without outlier, there is no interview, and which is very interesting. And during this outlier, you guys are going to understand box plot topic also. What topic, sir? Box plot. Please focus. Very, very important actually. What is the outlier value here? 3. Now, please observe here. Outliers are data points, but these are typical and surprising. Can I say outlier is making us to surprise actually? Suddenly, when I say 100, you got surprised, right? I would like to say that is a surprising value. These affects the measure of center and spread. What do you mean by measure of center and spread actually? Any idea? Mean, median, mode, range, standard deviation. Whenever you're having the data, you calculated mean, median, mode, range, standard deviation. In your data, if outlier is available, sir, please take care. Please take care actually. Let me show you what exactly it means to say that. Now, on an average, these are all last, can I say, 10 years, 10 years year wise temperature actually. 2015, the temperature is 26, 2014, 15, 2013, 20, 2012, 31, 2011. Sir, what is the temperature? 350. 2010, what is the temperature? 31, 30. What is a very common value? 26, it is a common. 15 common, 20 common, 31 common, 31, 30. But can I say this one? What is this one actually? Outlier. Good, hold on. Now let us take this data. Let us just try to, the mean is affected by the presence of outlier. Read everyone. The mean is definitely it will affect, sir. Now just try to see x bar equals to mean divided by, sum of all values divided by n. Now just try to move on. Just we are just trying to making sum up cumulative sum 26 to 30. Then first of all, what is the value? Now first of all, do you know the meaning of mean actually? What is the meaning of mean? Best example, next year temperature can be the mean value. But do you think really minus 28 actually? No. But minus 28 we got because of what exactly? Outlier. Did you understand? The mean helps you get ready. We are trying to almost doing the nice prediction. Mean is helping actually. Best example, sir. My last three exams score 35, 36, 37 out of 100 actually. Then next exam score will be no doubt at all near the value. but I cannot say I got 100 actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. The mean is affected by the presence of what exactly? Outlier. Now let me show you what are all measurements it will be affect actually. With because of what value? Outlier value. Are you with me? Good. Checking mean value, median, mode, and range. Calculate mean, median, mode, and range for the data set actually. See, we do have a data set 26, 15, 20, and 30.5. Measure mean, median, mode, range. With outlier, talk with me, sir. With outlier. Next one is without outlier. With outlier, we done calculation. What is the value? Minus 28. Without outlier, what is the value? 25. And median. Sir, can I say which one is the trusted value? Can I say 25? More trusted, sir. Next year, it can be 25 actual. You know, if you wanted to calculate the median, first what we need to do? Keep the values in order. Keep the values in what exactly? Order. Kind of some ascending order. Yeah, we are keeping the value. Now, with outlier, we'll see. Without outlier, we'll see. Just try to say. With outlier, what is the result? 26. Without outlier, what is the result? 28. It is okay. With the given data, median is not affected. It's okay. It's okay. Don't be worried. What is the next measure actually? Mode. What is the mode value? 31, 31. For the given data, mode also not affected actually. Can I ask a question? How about the standard deviation? Will it affect? Why standard deviation will affect? Any idea? Because standard deviation having one more value. What is that value? Mean. Sir, mean is affected. Already standard deviation, what exactly? It will be affected. Good, good. Range. Oh my God. 381. This is what exactly? 16. Now, can you talk with me? Mean affected or not? Affected. Range? Affected. These two are not affected. As per the data, not affected. Now just try to say affected. This is okay. Not affected. Not affected. Now affected actually. Now the next one is standard deviation. Why standard deviation will affect? Because mean will affect. Why? Because in the standard deviation formula already mean is available. Mean already impacted, sir. There is no doubt at all. Standard deviation also will affect actually. Now what you need to understand is, whenever you are getting a data, first, being a data scientist, recognize the outlier. Recognize what exactly? Outlier. Good. Hold on. Now, assuming that we got a numbers data, we got what data? Numbers data. From 1 to keep on to sorry man, 4, 5, these are all, we do have a 100 value. We do have what value? 100 value. 100 value. 100 value. Very good. Then you can apply EDA over the data. We can apply what exactly? EDA over the data actual. What do you mean by EDA? You can find out minimum value. You can find out maximum value. Sum you can find out. Mean you can find out. STD you can find out. Now hold on. You can still find out with what is number of values also. Number of values you can find out. You can find out. Now you need to recognize outlier also. Sir, outlier recognition is a very, very important. What is important actually? Why it is important? Why? Because in your data, if outlier is available, get ready, mean is impacting. If mean is impacting, mean is the very great measurement, sir. Great parameter actually. Then what we need to do, recognize the outlier, assuming that here somewhere some outlier is available. Recognize and remove the outlier. Being a data scientist, what we need to do, if you are having the numerical data, first recognize the outlier, then remove outliers from the data, then go for the EDA. Go for what exactly? EDA. Now you need to understand how to recognize outlier. Assuming that this is a very small scale data set, by looking at the data, you can recognize actually. Am I right or not, sir? Now I would like to say this is the small scale data. Yeah, this is the small data. By looking at this one, you can recognize. Like this 1 crore values would you have? How many values? Then there is a formula. There is a formula. During interview, first interview question, explain about the outlier. Second interview question, how to recognize outlier. Second entry question is what exactly? How to recognize outlier. Get ready. I will explain. Let me drink water. 1 minute. Are you clear? Now this total document is explaining about regarding outlier. Just 30% is done. How much actually? 30%. Remaining 70% in next two topics actually. Yeah. Read this one. What is this one actually? Outlier. So here also outlier will come. Get ready. Are you getting? Good. Did you uploaded math material? Total material did you upload it? Let me 650. Let me start uploading all the material actually. Good. Here also outlier will come. Don't worry. And outlier here I will explain how to recognize the outlier. How to recognize what exactly? Outlier. Sir, did you remember during explaining about the describe method? There is a I used to tell many time. Hold on, I will explain. Hold on, I will explain. Like that, I told many time. Now that day came actually. The topic name is called as a 5 number summary. What is the topic name? 5 number summary. Whenever you are having the numbers, whenever you are having numerical data, what data? Numerical data. Get ready. There are core components which is called as a 5 number summary. Which is called as what exactly? 5 number summary. These 5 number summary is first one is the minimum value, sir. First one is what exactly? Minimum value. Next one is a maximum. Next one is a in between minimum to maximum. We do have a median value. What value? Talk with me. First one is a minimum, next one maximum, next one median. Yeah, in between minimum to median, q1 value. Talk with me. In between minimum to median, what value? Q1 value. This is the off value actually. Next one is what is this value? Talk with me. Third quartile. Now let me tell you, assuming that we do have a value 1 2 3 4 5 6, keep on 25, next to keep on 50, keep on 75, keep on, so 97, 98, 99, 100. Come on, talk with me, sir. What is the minimum value? Very good. Minimum value is the one actually. Yeah, hold on. You can directly write in such a way that minimum value. Next one is this. What exactly? Maximum value. What is this value? Median. Next one. What is this value? Q1. What is this value? Q3. That's it. First, you guys need to recognize these 5 measurements are called as a 5 number summary. What is that one? Important, sir. Very, very important. 5 numbers summary. 5 number summary. I will help you. The 5 number summary gives a way to describe the distribution. I mean to say that how the data distributed. By targeting the median, left hand side how much data would you have, right hand side how much data would you have, it can explain actually how the data distributed, how the data what exactly distributed. Okay, nothing is there, sir. By using data science, we are doing data analysis by applying techniques, by applying what exactly? Techniques actually, especially pandas, especially what exactly? Pandas. I will help you. Now just try to see. Yeah, I will give a one shot explanation. Hold on. Just try to see. 5 number summary. Minimum, maximum, median, first quartile, second quartile. Talk with me. This is what exactly? First quartile. Next one is third quartile. This is still you can say second quartile, but you can ignore. Observe the diagrams. Theory very easy. Theory. I will come back here actually. Can I say from minimum to first quartile, can I say 25% of the data resides actually? Am I right or not, sir? Good. From first quartile to maximum, how much? 75. Now, assuming that, let us talking about January to December data. What data? January to December. First to 3 months, what is the business you can analyze actually? First to 3 months. You will compare with next other months. Next to 9 months actually. Did you understand? Good. Now the next data, can I say minimum to third quartile, how much data? 75%. Next one, what is this data? 20. So this is something like a splitting. That's it actually. 1 to 9 months. Then 9 to what exactly? 12 months actually. Something like that. Okay. Next diagram is a 50 to 50. I would like to say here 50%, 25% of the data lies here, 25%, 25%, 25%. This is something like the data what would we have? We are just trying to splitting and doing the processing. Splitting and doing what exactly? Processing. You need to talk with me. 5 number summary means what is the first value? Minimum, maximum, median, Q1, Q3. One more time. Minimum, maximum, median, Q1, Q3. Remember, please. Now let us do practical example. 647. Let us do practical example. Interesting. We'll see. Now 10, 11, 12, 25, 59. These are all. Move on to the next discussion. Middle of the value. First of all, let us try to find out median. Let us try to find out what exactly? Median. To find out the median, what we need to do? We need to keep the values in order, some ascending order. That's what we are doing. 10, 11, 12, 25, respectively 59. Yeah, good. According to the discussion, the position of median, I already covered that example. You guys need to walk through. N plus 1 divided by 2, then we will get some position of number. Then the 33 will become what value, sir? Median. Very good. The 8th position is called as a median. Next one. What is the minimum value? 10. What is the maximum value? 10. Nice. Just try to say. Position of Q1. Yeah, position of Q1 means what exactly? No? Q1 means it's a very simple. N plus 1 divided by 2. I mean to say that if you wanted to talk about this one, you know, boss, this is median for from minimum to median actually. Am I right or not? I would like to say this is the median, first half of the median. Next one, this is second half of the median actually. Right. If you wanted to recognize this one, again over this one, you need to apply Q1, a kind of some median formula. And you can find out the median is here what exactly, 7 plus 1 divided by 2, fourth position. Fourth position value is what exactly? 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4 value is the 25. Next value is what exactly? I will explain one more time, don't worry. Third quartile position is what exactly? 36. I am repeating again. First one is minimum. Next one is maximum. Here is median. Here is Q1. Here is Q3. Now let me reveal the secret actually. Sir, median means, yes, of course, it is in between minimum to maximum median. Am I right? Good. Q1 means it is again median, but in between minimum to median actually. Did you understand? Please. And this one also again, what exactly? Median in between to median to maximum. Perfect. You connected actually. Apply that formula. Now, all right. Now just try to see. Next one is smallest number is the 10. Largest number is what exactly? 59. Seriously super. This is seriously interesting. Let us stop the session now. Good. First of all, kindly please walk through tomorrow before you are coming to the session. Until smallest number and 5 number summary. Don't miss tomorrow topic. If you miss tomorrow topic, you are missing 2 interview questions. How many interview questions? 2 interview questions actually. Tomorrow Friday, would you have a session? Fine, right? All right. And why I'm closing early, let me upload the material. Online team, are you with me? Did you understand? As of now, we're done for today's session. Let me upload the material quickly. Once we entered into the machine learning, you can start preparing your resume. Once we entered into the machine learning, you can start prepare your resume. I will help you. Don't worry. How to prepare resume, how to prepare for interview. I will help you. 1 minute. Anyone?